अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। सूरतुल अनआम मक्किया, आया 76 to 80। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। With the name of Allah, the all merciful, the very merciful. فلما جن عليه الليل رأى كوكبا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين. So when the night enveloped him, he saw a star. He said, "This is my Lord." But when it vanished, he said, "I do not like those who vanish." فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لئن لم يهدني ربي لأكونن من القوم الضالين. Later when he saw the moon rising, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it vanished, he said, "Had my Lord not guided me, I would have been among those gone astray." فلما رأى الشمس بازغة قال هذا ربي هذا أكبر فلما أفلت قال يا قوم إني بريء مما تشركون. Thereafter, when he saw the sun rising, he said, "This is my Lord, this is greater." Again, when it vanished, he said, "O my people, I disown whatever you associate with Allah. Inni wajahtu wajhiya lillazi fatara as-samawati wal arda hanifa wa ma ana minal mushrikeen." I have indeed turned my face straight towards the one who created the heavens and the earth, and I am not one of those who associate partners with Allah. وَحَاجَّهُ قَوْمُهُ قَالَ أَتُحَاجُّونِّي فِي اللَّهِ وَقَدْ هَدَانِ وَلَا أَخَافُ مَا تُشْرِكُونَ بِهِ إِلَّا أَنْ يَشَاءَ رَبِّي شَيْئًا وَسِعَ رَبِّي كُلَّ شَيْءٍ عِلْمًا أَفَلَا تَتَذَكَّرُونَ. His people argued with him. He said, "Do you argue with me about Allah while He has already led me to the right path? I do not fear that which you associate with Him, because it cannot harm me, unless, of course, something is willed by my Lord. My Lord encompasses everything with His knowledge. Would you then take no lesson?" Sadaqallahul Azim.